will be a video on 2011 Ford F-450 diesel. You can have the 6.7 automatic transmission. 268,000 on this one. It's gonna come with the Selzy bed, tow hitch, room for your water. There's some pipe racks up top, plenty of storage. Nice little spot right there. You can throw some stuff up there. Looks like maybe there's like an air compressor on there at one time. Tires look good. What else about this one? Yeah, it's just a normal work rig. View of the back, view of the inside. Put her through the paces, test out the air, the forward and backwards. Let's see, air works, I do know. I just was in here, so it feels good, nice and cool. There's the mileage. Let's back up. Over here. Sounds good. Work. Reverse. Nothing to it. Alright, come check her out. August 25th is preview. That's a Friday. And then the auction will be Saturday, 7 p.m., August 26th. Alright, come check it out. See you on the next one.